All right, now we're going to do our bottom hand, which is our guide hand. Make sure all we're doing is keeping that knob of the barrel inside of the ball and hitting that square with the bat. Okay? All right. This one's a little tougher. All we're doing, this is the guide hand. Make sure our hands are on a great path all the way straight through. Couple more. Good. Make sure at point of contact, your foot is at the same spot every single time of contact. Okay? Right in front of you when you connect to the ball. Good. Open up those hips. One more, Lauren.